Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something straightforward but super useful: how to change your username on SoundCloud in 2025. Whether you're looking to refresh your profile, rebrand your music, or just fix a typo, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SoundCloud account. If you aren't, head over to the SoundCloud website or app and sign in with your current credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your profile settings. Look for the gear icon or Settings option, usually found in the top right corner. This is your hub for all account customizations. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Account or Profile section. Here, you'll see your current username displayed. Click on it to edit. That's right. It's that simple in 2025 with SoundCloud's updated interface. Type in your new desired username, but here's a pro tip. Make sure it's unique and follows SoundCloud's guidelines, like no special characters or numbers that might not be allowed. If the username is already taken, you'll get a prompt to try something else, so have a few backups ready. After entering your new username, hit the Save or Update button. SoundCloud might ask for a quick verification, especially if it's your first change, so keep an eye out for any email or two-factor authentication steps. Once confirmed, your new username will be live across the platform. One more thing. Remember that changing your username could affect your followers or links, so consider notifying your audience if you're active. It's a minor hiccup, but staying proactive keeps things smooth. And there you have it. You've just mastered changing your SoundCloud username in 2025. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.